Yeah, or Kobo we no be experience. Not next season when Timmy Compounds and J and come back to Africa, and that's the problem.
Omonya consistent.
They be like different person echo. So Ayala makes that excellent point on Saturday about experience. But experience no, I thought they be say so a boy. But to come back now be a 5 years time, 3 years time.
Or Kabylie no. Anytime behind the
18th time.
That be second.
No, 18th season near our book after.
That be our competition is anti experience no. And now a man had
18th time.
Aya,
which they considered in the 20th minute. And also considered in the 70th minute. And see, I don't know. The coach from Poman Supers or Chile said, Omoye mistake baby in the first half. Because okay, timing in games are we shall consider 20th minute. Now be consider in second half, now be consider 70th minute. It means you concede in the middle of every half. In the middle of every half. Rich, GS Kabylie were too good.
Sure.
They were too experienced. Too exposed to the tournament. Actually, maybe any. The meeting I can say is just a learning curve for them. I know what depending for. It's as simple as that. They have too much quality. They were so
very
settled on. Like what you say? They know they are on size. Many people say okay, Bono at the point he felt. As a nankofo as omudi training. Let me say as beba. The quality of your ball no any enkofo bisa no the difference e wo no eso. And over baby any go stars are Rich. They even lost a lot of experienced players on the league no. Ekofa en kraba team no mudodo. Nti they knew say omo team no baby a draw na kofa no emboa omo. Okay.
Yama Kotoko game so Kotoko so share 4. Kwara United of Nigeria eti kano eye miensa. Arante manoro NP Abetamwa 2 goals and Joseph Ablo almost 4 goals no was enough. Kotoko epeke the 3 maximum points no the this
3 maximum points
so we league.
We had 3 points. 1 point. Review baza. Nigeria ni coach John Nusa.
Akwane kasa
also be Kwara. See ya ni aye.
Kotoko fonu kra mi nim so say omo ya de say o me.
No is all bana. Okay so o see no ni worry who so na agbo horom. E no see sa match omo ball. No see Kotoko fit nuru sa team no. To be se Kotoko ha.
Yenti Karim Zito ebra 4-3 no ebae no ase ba ne say na Kotoko basha 4 na African game enim say away go rule no yenyim free mu yi o ma Kwara for share miensa.
It was a tough game beyond our thinking because when we heard of Kwara United we all thought we just pass through, but I said it during my press before the game that the fact that they've qualified tells you that they are a good club. Because in Ghana, we used to have 64 clubs and we emerged champions. So they also, I don't know the number of clubs, but since they emerged champions, it tells you that they are an experienced team. And then at the end of the day, nobody thought we could even 2 goals or 3 goals, though we are all assuming that we can score a lot of goals. But what makes me a little bit happy, at the end of the day, we've won. We've won by 4 goals to 3. So now I'm also going to plan how to go there and then try to also go by the way they came here to do.
And the Zito no, I say na a tough game. We come to see na yeah bona kurabi anim. Said the omo Kotoko J MTN Cup no munya kwan de ko ball. Air competition no. Kwara for no so. Omo say emerge champions our Nigeria ho and on the bench say. Omo so monye Bayera Abdulwadjo ne simple kra. But also no the energy. Yes, scoreline no, yes, scoreline no, and Kotoko no. But the most important thing is that he won. Or share 4-3. They go into the second leg, you know. Na Owie no say the Kwara for ne timi abaye our Ghana. The same thing. Because no be any I believe no. Say Kwara for the betu aba Ghana. Abe consider upset. Inti almost about Nigeria. no create the same thing.
Tell me something. So you want to tell me it didn't work? But I scored 4. I did not lose the game. I scored, and so what? And so what? Do you believe this is lack of confidence in you people? All right. So do you believe they can come and beat me 3? You never believe it, and it happened. Oh, at least give us a clap. You know what? All right.
Okay, it's a kind of no. I say, Scotland yes or no, but watch a 4. I say no do be in Ghana, and I can't bet 3 na Kwara. I said on 3 no. Saa no mso betu akọ Nigeria na omonso etimi akọ share the same goals ni bi. On a section of Kotoko fans omonso ko share game ni bi no. Omonso after the game omonso mo di 2 na ala men sha sem fenfi ho.
They said the year can on say Africa now no e prelims na the year bo the goals na the as what me nya goals now se ne ate na se wo se ne ate a 4-3 no African football na the and the year sizes be here e wo mtina bon supporters and kiashe goals ye ne nya dey and senke 4-2 no kra na akabo say e dia supporters here dey e jubility
Tito den say yes e chene o touch side no you say sa on board that is bia we win the train now we carry United was 4-3 we win uko na njoo bondo wako na njoo masa se Kotoko pese ya kwa Africa ye ya de Africa e ko nsi to fe no kwanta kada ta na ko pe ko tufu
aye bobo ri na ba de ba ko am hu ye say am referee no ana am bua ye every 15 ball bia na infringement I so ojima then Nigeria shinde bia no ajia mo ko football dey bo now who's a referee or sider tell me your confidence because they are too achi they are losing 4-3 they make you sure say kwa anema ebetimi akoya.
Okay hala 4-3
Saturday o kan sama mekan catch you say there's times in my career I have a certain feeling and I trust it when I have that feeling. In the Saturday, no be kai pa. Me catch you say, Kotoko bono mbobo fino. But bibi catch me say,
away no.
Kotoko ebe yard yo away. Away na Kotoko ebe qualify. Enye fee. I said it before they played this particular game. Rich, I wait for Kotoko to go to away.
But I don't know more cast a result than no yarding.
Look,
4-3.
It is not any very, very good resource. This is only in Africa. Any very good resource. There were 2 problems. And the M1 want to say, Rich, I have listened to commentaries after the Kotoko game. But baby, a problem no pano. I don't know whether it is me who and Kofon who and Rich. I think Samba Onel is doing too much and it's affecting the Kotoko team. Odibo na chidudo.
Pabo na bono.
E ne se
onimbo.
Adwuma no esi ono nko ana so. Enti obi dia kura onyima ati no obeso ko ibma no. And it is affecting the Kotoko team. Rich, why will you score 4 and concede 3? Why? And means when you goals na Kotoko concede in the Rich, there were too many defensive elementary errors. And you shouldn't be doing at this elite level. No. Home. Nyame wadum shafo. And you are giving away 3 goals to your away side. That is bad. But Rich, I will blame Samba Onel for the goals, you know. Because to me, he is supposed to be the leader and the organizer of the Kotoko defensive network. And your backline and Kwara. And he should have a certain level of calmness. He should make my said many years. But I say, baby, he wants to go and sort it.
And yet, you say, oh, somebody, boy, league, no club, so, and I didn't meet him.
You see, Ovimbo. But, a coach to tell him, say, Bon Unimbo. But you need to do your job with a certain level of calmness. Because Rich, look, I think it should be go there in and confront head here. It should be the second goal. Time I born to call Hamza town. Now Philip Amo, Edri Mikabanechi to come and double up on the winger. And Samba, you need to stay in your defensive area, central defensive area. Because all two players they are dealing with it. But and it's Mumunti Menjibona, me Babe Jamam. O movie yana, and Omu cross a ball. Omu cross a ball. I blow agent in the pound. But the guy who came to head, you are supposed to be two central midfielders. Somebody is doing too much. Onjina. Na on conducting ye. On organizing ye. Eti. And we are ever for so. But he is a problem. Onye kam kakra. Rich. Go there hina akwana fa bonu Fiifi akọ ball war pass. Ebo ball na share. That is too embarrassing to watch. Too embarrassing. Too embarrassing to, as I say, the Kotoko midfield was non-existence. For a player to pick, the last time I used to be the business of Kotoko, and when Asek ever ball the friendly game against Kotoko Baba Sports Stadium, which it was too embarrassing to watch.
For Bona.
No, or the Bona bar, no, but just war pass, you can war pass a 1-2. War pass next out the Bona. No, I jibo no box, no Basham. That is too elementary. At this level, Rich, you don't give these things out. Well, wash it, yate. What will you do? You need to have a plan.
Young clubs, like you said, I'm consistent. Our competition.
Rich, na Kwara consistent. You see,
the players are new, so inexperienced.
I'm not doing high level analysis on this game. Because Rich, and you might be Kotoko inexperienced or you're consistent, what all players be brave, and you might be a negative Kotoko team Nubian. And times 2 o'clock.
Almost
you know any better team be a car. You're consistent. Omato 18 players. 18 new players. League no mubono omunyashi omuni pedigree. That is why I don't want to do high level analysis with Kotoko car. But I think that Kotoko should correct no man kitchen me. Rich, for sign baby in Swinka. Kotoko will go and play an amazing away game and bring the qualification to Ghana. I said it before your first leg, you know, and you are going to make it. Me can say, me tie no, me who say Kotoko away. And I'm there. And if I no, me who results and I'm say, okay, then this was what my feeling was telling me. Say, if you know, Kotoko will get the results, people will doubt them.
Okay.
But, Rich, Kwara, the coach in the Ghana, he will be humbled after the second leg. Oh, no, the team I watch is not better than
Kotoko.
Oh, Rich.
But Nhyira better.
Oh, don't worry. Rich, Kotoko team wrong. Mami nka bibi nchiro. Since you need progress here, they may come up and do well. But Rich, in Pempray, the Kotoko team there, it is more set up for away games than home games.
Eventually, na ati for yema to aso fama Nhyira 104.5 yeba sisia.
Amuzu garlic bitters ma moja di afru sani yi blood pressure any cholesterol ko form eyi